When writing your essay, it's important to get rid of extra words that are not necessary to the text. Here's an example. It is revealed at this point in the story that Scott is mature enough to understand the situation, and I think it metaphorically compares Boo Radley to a defenseless mockingbird. The best way to get rid of this is just to get rid of all the extra words. Especially it is revealed, I think, this connects to the fact, this ties back to my assertion, this shows that, all those words really aren't necessary. The best way to get rid of it is just to simply delete it. I can pretty much delete all of this and all of this, and it makes sense without it. Scott is mature enough to understand the situation, and it metaphorically compares Boo Radley to a defenseless mockingbird. That's all you need. This one you can get rid of here. Get rid of all of this, and it makes sense as it stands. So look through your paper and get rid of all the extra words and pronouns that are not necessary in your essay. Good luck!